Today we're unboxing the powerful LG XBoom, a speaker built for parties, bass lovers and anyone who enjoys music loud and clear. Let's see what is inside the box and test if this really lives up to the hypes. The box itself is large and stubby, and honestly it is heavy, which already tells you this is no ordinary speaker. LG clearly packed some serious hardware in here. Before we get to the speaker itself, LG packed the control unit separately. Let's check that out first. Here is the control unit. With all the major buttons right there. Play, stop, volume, input selector, Bluetooth, DJ effects buttons and many more. Now let's pull out the main attraction, the speakers. This comes in carefully secured packaging. And wow, they are heavy, solid and built tough. The design is bold and stylish, with those signature LED lights on the front that instantly gave it that party vibe. Two strong speakers ready to deliver serious sound. Top is simple. Plug in the power. Connect both speakers to the main unit. You can either connect through Bluetooth, USB or aux. Within seconds you are ready to play music. Pairing my phone was quick and the system responded instantly. Here is where it shines, the sound. The bass is deep, heavy and you can feel it vibrate through the room. The mid and the high are crisp, with vocals staying clear even at high volume. Whether it's Afrobeats, hip-hop or live concert tracks, the XBoom delivers room-filling power. One of my favorite features is the DJ effects. On the top panel or directly on the remote, you can add scratches, loops, and effects to your music, making it feel like a live DJ section. And any connectivity, you're covered with Bluetooth, USB, aux and more. Multiple options to keep the music going. Overall, the LG XBoom is not just a speaker, it's a full-on party machine. Every box, every sound, every bass, especially what you want if you love music loud and fun. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and tell me in the comments, will you bring this LG XBoom to your next party?